ITW Hartness has more than 80 years of experience providing proven, innovative case packing solutions built with gentle product handling for any package size, shape, or material with quick changeover. Our top load case packers are equipped with integrated high-speed laners, soft Durameter servo-controlled laner belts, and servo lane positioning guide product into the lane dividers with accuracy. With air transfer technology and lowering or place head options, your product is reliably and safely transferred into the secondary package at up to 40 cycles per minute. To achieve maximum throughput, our center line design allows for dual case packing in a back-to-back, side-to-side, or back-to-back and side-to-side configuration. Built in response to customer demand, the 1760 case top sealer seamlessly integrates to the back of any ITW Hartness case packer to simplify your implementation. Simplified machine controls, operator feedback, and repeatable changeover make this a reliable option for customers. Together, our packing and sealing product offering gives customers an integrated solution supported by our team of expert technicians for increased flexibility and throughput while lowering total cost of ownership. ITW Hartness. Proven innovation. Powerful commitment.